So here you can see the loop clearly. Finishes at 7:38 p.m. UTC. 3:55 is when you see this long white blip. March the 31st is today, Saturday, and the Typhoon Pakhar is going in the direction of this blip. 130 kilometers per hour are the top speeds of this typhoon. Oh, tropical storm it says here. Revised image of the tropical storm. You can see the eye is here. It's not really an eye yet. Okay. Now if I put this other daylight satellite on, I'll take this one off and look at our blip. There you go. Now what is that doing? Is that a beam? Looks like somebody is beaming there, but perhaps not. So this is just for the record. You can see the whole length of it. There just happen to be earthquakes here all the time, at the top of Sumatra, in the Andaman Sea. This is where the tsunami was in 2004. Now, is something going on here? Are these people getting hopped? You see this huge great thing? So I'm going to take a snapshot. There you go. Put it back on the other. There's the weather. There's quite a hot spot here.